Psalm 86, a prayer of David. Bow down thine ear, O Lord, hear me, for I am poor and needy. Preserve my soul, for I am holy. O thou my God, save thy servant that trusteth in thee. Be merciful.
As you can see, this plant, this flower, and this living organ is fully about the presence of beauty to the sick, beauty to the most hearted person, and the beauty to the most vulnerable people who have not seen what's beyond nature. And I'm explaining more about how much it's valuable to keep the organs in this world and in this country and the city together at one place.
Nimekwishazoea sema na watu ya kwao hawayaoni. Leo kazi kusema ya watu, basi leo nawaambia maneno yenu sijali, mtabaki hivyo hivyo, ya kwangu yaninyokea.
Wacha waseme, wakasema mchana usiku watalala. Wacha waseme,
leo wacha waseme,
wakasema mchana usiku watalala. Wacha waseme,
mie na wangu nyumbani, roho yangu burudani, masikio nimeziba, leo sijali ya mitaani, wangu nimemdhibiti, hasikii wala haoni, kajaribuni kwengine, hapa hamuoni ndani.
wacha waseme,
I'm here to represent the beauty of the living features of our lives, that they are representing so much about the beauty of our place, the beauty of our culture, the beauty of the human soul and the existence of life itself. I, as a girl, I come from the village, and I understand that the beauty of life comes from what we look at, and that is how we're going to live our lives, from the example of what is really represented before us by the living nature or the universe.
Lambwa tika, maharage yako jikoni nimeshayapika, na ngoje ya sukari ya bwana haijafika. Lambwa tika, maharage yako jikoni nimeshayapika, na ngoje ya sukari ya bwana haijafika. Lambwa tika, maharage yako jikoni nimeshayapika, na ngoje ya sukari ya bwana haijafika. Lambwa
the life of the flowers that are giving health to the sick, and they build our creation, our constructions, our creativity, and all that in all that comes together and bring it into one picture that we all are supposed to believe in and trust and own up to it, so that we can understand the nature itself can bring us into one piece.
Gere mama, gere mama. Gere mama, gere mama, wananionea gere. Watausaga mtama waubwie wenyewe.
Yeah.
Oya kuwazima haisitiri mwili. Oya kuwazima haisitiri mwili. Yale niliyokwambia sasa yameshakufika. Yale niliyokwambia sasa yameshakufika. Fahari ndiye mama wa ujinga. Fahari ndiye mama wa ujinga.
Kuhusu matawi. Matawi hutuletea upepo mwanana pale tunapokuwa.
I am looking at the plant, knowing that it's fully a creative part of universe that represents so much about what we lack from our daily lives when we're at work, when we're hustling and suffering from trying to earn something from this lifetime. Earning is something that drives us to strive and not be able to understand the substance of our livelihoods. So I'm very grateful for this plant, and I'm explaining more about it so that everybody can understand it's fully a creation that adds in life to most of our air. It brings us air, it brings us freshness and life to every other creation that has been from the universe.
Mwenzetu mwenzetu katogwa kagongwa na nini na nini, na tumpeleke mnazi mmoja. Yesa yesa
Ye bado kidogo. Yesa yesa yesa. Ye bado kidogo. Yesa yesa. Bado kidogo. Yesa yesa.
Psalm 86, a prayer of David. Bow down thine ear, O Lord, hear me, for I am poor and needy. Preserve my soul, for I am holy. O thou my God, save thy servant that trusteth in thee. Be merciful unto me, O Lord, for I cry unto thee daily. Rejoice the soul of thy servant, for unto thee, O Lord,